Good morning, boys and girls and boat gangers all. Welcome once again to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works. Today, check it out. Check it out. We are almost, not quite, almost ready to run the American Spirit. Stand by. I must consume jet juice. Well, there's just a couple things more to do. The little rod going between here, I need to shorten a bit. I cut threads on it yesterday, but I left it a little bit long because you can always cut more off. You can never cut more on. So do a last little fit and finish. Over here, over here, you see my nice little arm to hold the water pickup doesn't have a hole. That's because I don't have the little standoff. So I need that standoff to hook up the rudder. And the turn fin, I had made several turn fins. And the last one I used and seemed to have some success with was this straight turn fin. Straight meaning the straight up and down. It's got a bend to it. So this allows for easy turn fin changes, and I can easily adjust the angle here with this standoff rod. When I was putting it back together, I forgot how I had run all the plumbing and all the electronics, but I finally found out, and I may ditch this, it's the tape joint is just temporary. I may ditch this and put a single connector in because I found out what I was doing is I was shoving this wire and with the splitter wire back in there and getting it out of the way. And so all the wires from the battery would be hidden. I'd also forgotten how I had run the cooling, which side the motor inlets were on. So I went back and watched my old videos, and it's like, oh, that's how I did it. So we should be real close to putting it back on the water in about the same sort of running condition as it was. And then we can start tuning it in. I was having a little trouble with hooking in a turn, but as I went back and watched my videos, I think it was driver error in that the driver was letting off the gas in a turn. And in a hydro, I remember my old limited spec hydro, the short circuit that was the same size as this. This is how you drove it. You held full throttle, went full rudder to turn, let go to go straight, full rudder to turn, let go to go, and that was how you drove it. I mean, it drove itself. In fact, Big B talked about that today. If it's set up right, it will drive itself, just, I mean, that's how hard it is. So hopefully I can get this one in the same place. I'm going to be doing the same thing Big B's doing, is playing with center of gravity. I'm stuck with my rudder and strut positions mainly because I put these on for looks, not purpose. And so I'm going to just have to deal with it. What I have is what I have, and I'll just have to work around it. I did kick the driveline off, so that helps on the prop walk thing. And kicking the stern out hasn't been the problem with this thing. It's been hooking in a turn. And like I said, I think it's because the driver's a chicken. He's afraid to hammer through those turns. So we'll take it out to Santee Lakes Unit. I'm looking forward to. It's right around the corner. And what would this boat look good doing? Running laps on the 4th of July. What do you think? What do you think? Until next time, boys and girls, jet out.